Here's what happened in our first day in Laguna. Night namin to, nag-grocery muna kami sa SM San Pablo while waiting sa aming ibang friends. So ito na, this is official ng day 1. Pumunta kami sa Diwata Nature Resort San Pablo, Laguna. Entrance fee is 300 per person and magugulat kayo kasi kasama na dito yung cottage and other amenities like boat riding. Remember, outside food and drinks is not allowed kasi dun kayo mismo order. Para mas makamura, in order namin yung good for 4 packs na ayan, naghati-hati na lang kami and binayaran namin is 1-2 pesos. To be honest guys, for 300 pesos, sobrang nagulat din ako sa dami ng amenities na pwede nyong gawin. Like for example, meron kayong mga lockers na pwede nyong gamitin, shower room, sink area, powder room, ang ganda talaga. Sure, follow your rules and regulations. Swimming pool area, by the way, wala tong chlorine ha, like running water siya, kaya sobrang fresh. Itong resort na to, para siyang may pagka-Japanese Bali inspired, so sobrang ganda. And we didn't know na nakapunta na kami sa private area nila, may recreational area, sobrang ganda talaga. Bumaba na rin kami matapos namin siyang ma-experience kasi hindi naman talaga sila mahigpit. Unless that they rented tong space na to, pero look at the view, sobrang ganda. Naghanap kayo ng venue for your birthday, sobrang perfect nitong spot na to. For overnight stay and venue rentals, pwede nyo silang contact sa Facebook page nila, Diwata Nature Resort. This place is a place na sobrang ganda ng ambience na makakapag-relax ka talaga. Mga pinakita ko sa inyo, wala pa yan sa kabuuan kasi sobrang laki ng resort na to. Pag napadpad kayo dito, make sure libutin nyo lahat and please lang, itry nyo yung boat riding kasi hindi namin yun na-try. Saglit lang din kasi kami dito and talagang nag-enjoy and nag-relax lang kami. Alright, see you on day 2!